Hello and good day. James B here for another video in which we design and create anything fantastic and useful. As you haven't known me, I created this channel to let you guys know how fulfilling it is to design and create something you have in mind and see that in reality, because I am a designer and a creator at heart. For today's video, I am very excited as a new box just arrived at home last night and I'm about to unbox this for today. And I'm very tired last night as I came from a fellowship late and super sleepy. So I waited for today's to unbox this. As you can hear in the background or something, there is something beeping or unusual sounds, and that is this thing. As you can see, it's a Creality Ender 3. I have been looking for the review of this Creality Ender 3 and I've been choosing between Ender 3 and Ender 3 Pro, and I have seen reviews and builds by Teaching Tech, Chuck Helleybuyck, and Makers Muse, and so far this is the factors that makes me decide to go on the Ender 3 instead. First, of course, it's cheaper and it's upgradable, and for the price the build size is rather big and they are almost the same. And the thing that amazes me on this package is when I'm building it, I found that they already addressed the problems which I see on most of the reviews, which is that under extrusion due to the loose extrusion tube, and they already provided me the clip which is not 3D printed. So the most satisfying part on this build is this part, peeling off plastic protection of the viewing panel. So time for some test prints. For this test print I used the sample G-code that is in this SD card, namely cut that G-code, and I used the supplied white filament and see if it can print the whole thing, and it didn't. And in the process of printing I forgot to change the filament, so this print is a fail, but as you can see in the print, it's very good. for the next print, I decided to address some issues in the printer, and I did go to Thingiverse to see those things I need. And I decided to print a filament guide to address the issue of the filament touching the T8 lid screw, and it turned out nice. So that's it, guys. Watch out for my coming videos on the upgrades and print that I will be making on this printer, but I will be transitioning from designing using AutoCAD, 3ds Max and SketchUp and the videos of this 3D printer. And also I owe you guys my review on why I switched from Premiere Pro to DaVinci Resolve 16. Watch out for that also. So that's it for this week, and of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to for you to get notified every time I upload new videos. And of course, if you have questions or you need any help, don't be shy to ask in the comment section below. So see you guys next week. Cheers.